In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile photo without posting. So first, let's go to Facebook. Let's go to the menu button, which is the three lines here. And then tap on your profile. And then tap on the camera icon beside your profile picture. Let's select profile picture. And then let's go to uploads or whatever you want. After you've selected the picture, click on save. And now that our profile picture has been uploaded, let's go to our timeline and tap on the three buttons here, and then go to edit privacy and tap on see more, and then tap on only me. So in that way, your profile picture will not be posted on your timeline. And that is how you change profile picture without posting. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.